Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of T.N.T. Garage and Performance, and today we're going to lean a little more on the garage side than performance. Now, this push mower here, I picked up for free. I seen someone put it out on their yard, on their curb, saying it just doesn't start. Now, this is one of the newer ones that no prime, no choke, and I'm going to dig into it. See if I can get it running, because I had an idea as soon as I saw it, and what I want to do is get this mower running and then put it up on Marketplace for free to someone who desperately needs a mower. No matter what their life position is, they just can't afford to get one, anything like that. So let's see if we can fix this thing up and give it to someone in need. So let's get to it. Well, let's dig into this here mower. First thing I'm going to check is, does it have gas? It's got some in there. It smells a little but I got some fresh mixed up fuel over there. Check the oil. Looks like they just changed it actually, so I don't have to mess with that. All right, let's pull the plug out. What size is that? At a 5/8? Yeah. We'll pull the plug out and check. See what we got here. All right. You just basically go through just the little stuff, things you can easily check to see why it won't start. And it could be a plethora of reasons, but that might be an issue. This plug is soaked. Just something fierce. I wonder if it doesn't have spark. I'll kind of clean the plug up, burn off some of this stuff, see if we can actually get a spark out of it. God, it almost smells like kerosene. Might just have bad gas in it. That smells terrible. Well, we'll see if we can get some sort of spark out of it. Oh yeah, that looks good. Just full of crap. So let's thread her back in. Maybe this will be an easy fix. Well, come on. There we go. There. Get her tight. It says no prime. I'm gonna figure out how to not rip my hands off. Well, let's pull her apart. We'll dig in to the carburetor here. See what we got going on. Should be 8 mil. Oh, that's 7. That's 8 mil. There we go. Get the air box off. All right, 7mm to get those out. I don't know where my ratchet is, but yeah, we got a ratchet right here. Let's get this air box off. Yep. Son of a biscuit. There we go. Let's see what kind of horrors await us under this cover. I've never dealt with one of these. I don't know why you go with primerless, but oh, it's plastic. That's something. Okay. Well, let's get this clamp off here. Drain this fuel out. Because God knows how bad the fuel is, so let me find some sort of drain pan thing. Ah, there it is. Half a milk jug usually does the trick. So let's pull this bad boy off. There we go. Fuel catcher. Just kind of jam the fuel line up there. So maybe she stays put. Now we just need to get the linkage off. There we go. All right. This is quite the interesting deal. It's a plastic carburetor. It's just got an O-ring that slides on. That's a new one. Dump the fuel out of it. Grab our 1/4-inch ratchet here. Needs to be a little tighter. Let's get the fuel bowl off. I'm sure Briggs & Stratton recommends that you do not maintenance these, but whatever. We'll keep it our secret. That gas will evaporate. Let's see what kind of magic awaits us. Might need a screwdriver to help me pry that bowl off, because I don't think that plug attaches to anything. But I've been wrong before. Looks like a big hex. We'll try to take that out. All right. There we go. Oh, that's quite the deal there. Let's get a screwdriver and get this apart. Now, seeing as this is plastic, I'm going to try and be careful here. Oh, there we go. No, it's just an O-ring. And other than that, it looks like your typical Briggs & Stratton carb. I don't think the needle and seat is stuck. Because it was allowing fuel in, which we could test that by simply holding the carb upside down. No, not needle and seat. Now it looks like that's pressed in where your jet would go. Yeah, it's just a plastic jet that goes up through the top, so maybe I could pull that out. Yep. Yeah, this is your whole jet assembly right here. Looks like it's got a check valve in it. I don't know, that seems like it might be clogged. Let's open the choke. This is quite the conglomeration here at Briggs & Stratton. Holy cow. Looks like these two pop apart. There we go. It's got an orifice there for that jet. Got a little check ball down here. I'm not sure what that does. I know there's a jet here. I don't know. This is a new one for me. Never quite seen a plastic carburetor before, but clean her off in some gas. Get the gook out of her. There we go. Oh, that tastes awful. All right. These are probably jetted pretty lean too, so that could be part of our issue. But it looks like it goes back together like this. There we go. Seems pretty simple. Maybe if we put some fresh gas in it. I don't want my pin to slide out there. Float pin, which doesn't want to work with me. There we go. All right. That looks like that probably goes like that. Yep. So, put her back together. We'll just put some fresh gas in it, see if we can't get anything out of here. No prime, no choke. Kind of a joke. Ha! I'm a rhyming son of a gun. All right. Tight. Tight. You don't want to over tighten this. This is plastic, so let's get our linkages hooked back up. So this is our choke up here. There we go. Now our throttle. And there we go. And then that just slides on, and this is all that holds carburetor in. So cool. Let's see if we can get the remaining fuel out of this thing. Oh, I think that's about it. Okay. So, get our fuel line back on. Ooh, excuse me. Lamp. Get our air box back on, which has a thing that goes somewhere. There we go. Now, these screws go in here. Yeah, these are the smaller ones, so these are closest to the carb that go into the carb itself. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. I knew I had an adapter. There we go. This will make it a little bit quicker. Don't need to ram them home. That's enough to hold on to the carburetor. There we go. Now, this way, it's just too hard to fit my big old fingers in there. There we go. Pop the air filter back in. (2018) even. It's funny because they don't give you any instructions on how to start this. But we'll put some good fuel in it. It'll probably smoke on this fuel because this is a 2-stroke mix. That's not a very big tank at all. Holy balls. All right. See what she does now. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to find the screws for that and we'll get this thing cleaned up. Well, I got her sprayed off, got the gas off, and let's see how it mows. So this is a part for anyone that's going to receive this mower. Let's see how easy it starts. So in order to start it, you want to hold your blade control down, which I'm going to see if I can do this with one hand. And then, there we go. Fires right up. And then down here, this is for your assist, so this will pull you forward. See how she moves. Oh, that's kind of nice, self-propelled. Then let go of that when you want to stop. Grab it again when you want to go. Hit a branch. Well, there we go. One more pass. And then to shut it off, there you go. Well, we've got a functioning running and mowing and even driving with being self-propelled mower that'll go away to some lucky person who truly needs it. Like I said, I'm going to put this mower on Marketplace. It's a 2018 yard machine with a Briggs on it. Self-propelled, everything you need. It's a mulching mower, but I will vet anyone who asks about the mower. You know, try to make sure it goes to someone who truly needs it, and I will demonstrate the mower for them. And once they pick it up or drop it off, whichever way, and make sure they understand how to operate it. So there we go. We got a good running mower. I got it for free, so I fixed it, and I'm going to pay it forward for free. Well, so there we go, guys. Got a good running mower right now. Pretty much, I think all it really needed was some fresh gas. But you guys probably learned a couple things along the way. What to check for to begin with. You know, make sure it rolls over. Check for spark. Check your fuel. I took the carburetor apart and then forgot to partially put it back together, but got all that crap out of there, blew out the jets, and a little bit of fresh gas, she pops right off. Mowing's great, actually, so I really hope that the person that gets this can really use it, and with their permission, whoever gets it, I will include the act of giving them the mower and demonstrating for them in the video. So there we go, guys. This is a quick little one to help people out, and you know, just give a little back. Like I said, I picked it up for free to fix it and give it away for free. So until next time, guys, on T.N.T. Garage and Performance, remember to like, share, subscribe. You can find me at T.N.T. Garage and Performance on Facebook, T.N.T. _garage on Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. So let's keep on doing stuff like this along with the other projects, and remember, if it ain't broke, fix it till it is. Hi guys, Tyler from T.N.T. Garage and Performance here with Katrina and Braden, a young family that are the recipients of the mower I fixed up. Because like I said before, pay it forward, and the only price I ask is when you get somewhere where you know you can help someone out, just do that for me.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much for coming over and picking her up. I hope she does well for you.
Thank you so much.
And remember, if it ain't broke, fix it till it is.